I'm Mike Potter. I'm a partner and head of the TST at Addleshaw Goddard. We first recruited apprentices in 2013 when 10 legal apprentices joined our Manchester office. We recruited a further 12 legal apprentices last year, 10 into Manchester and 2 into Leeds. One of the things that we really thought through was why we wanted apprentices in our business. We were really questioning whether it was a prerequisite to have a background in law to work in a law firm like ours. I run a large team of paralegals and managers and lawyers as well as apprentices. And as part of running that team, over time we've seen how some of the strongest performers have joined us from non-legal backgrounds, so those who've done degrees other than law. And we really thought a few years ago that we could therefore see how apprentices could work in our business. Over time, we've seen some real value that our apprentices have brought. We've attracted some real quality individuals who, as well as being bright and enthusiastic, have really brought something to our team and to our firm. We've seen how the quality of their work has been really good. And actually, the challenge we have is less about the quality of the apprentices' work, but where the boundary lies between what an apprentice might do versus what a paralegal or a trainee or even a junior lawyer might do. We've also seen how that's helped with our retention and how we have a committed and stable workforce, and apprentices have really brought something to our team. And then finally, we've seen how people have really developed and flourished. They include apprentices who've developed new skills, including legal work, how to communicate with people, how to present, how to apply things like technology to legal work in a changing profession. But we've also seen the benefits that it's brought to our wider team and to our wider firm around how they get involved with mentoring and supervising our apprentices and helping with their development. And then finally, for me, we've seen how our apprenticeship scheme has been really welcomed by our firm and our clients. I lose track of how many people ask about who our apprentices are and what they're doing and what their backgrounds are. And for me, it's just been a hugely positive thing to have done. So going forward, I'm really excited about the role the apprentices can play in our business. I'm particularly interested in how technology can be applied to law, and I see how our apprentices really add something here. Young people who have technology skills that people like myself don't have, about how they can take technology systems and apply them to legal work. And actually I see that as a real emerging area where young people can join our business and make a real impact and add something and skills which we don't have within our firm. And so I'm particularly optimistic about the role apprentices can play in our team in the future.